Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll make spinach rice. 1 cup rice, wash and soak for 15 minutes. Washed spinach, boil for 10 minutes. Let it cool. Add cooking oil. Add garlic. Roast until turn light brown. Take it out. Blend them together. Add oil, cumin seeds, green chili, hing, sliced onion. Fry until turn light pink. Add chopped ginger, cashew, add spinach paste, saute for 2 minutes. Dry spices, coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, garam masala, corn, chopped mint leaves, salt, ghee, stir well. Add soaked rice. Stir well. Add water. Mix well. Cover it and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Stir in between to be sure what the rice didn't stick to the pan. Rice is done. Turn off the stove, cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. Ready to serve. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.